Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over 3 different drills that you can do at home to help you improve your balance while kicking. Now let's get started. Now before we get started into the drills, I wanted to quickly just go over a quick tip that you can do that can also help improve your balance while you kick. It's very simple. It's really just paying attention to your stance when you're starting off and also your body posture while you're kicking as well. So for example, is your stance too wide? Is it too narrow? Are you too square when you're about to throw a spinning kick and it's adding an extra rotation? Or when you're throwing a kick coming forward, are you not pivoting your hips or your foot and it's kind of making it awkward and throwing you off balance? Things like that. And then also as you're throwing your kick, your body posture. This is probably the biggest thing because sometimes people tend to lean back too much, lean forward too much, you fall off to the side. So really just pay attention just to your body posture and your stance before you kick and as you're throwing your kick. That can also help improve your balance as well. If you guys are enjoying the drills that I do in this video, I do similar things all the time in my monthly Zoom classes. If you're interested in joining the next one, visit alexwongtkd.com for more details. But for now, we're going to go and start with drill number 1. All you're going to need for this one is like your belt, or you can just use something that you can just kind of use just to kind of jump over just a little bit. It doesn't have to be super high off the ground, just kind of something just kind of visualize to hop over. So all we're going to do, this is going to be kind of a little bit of a progression drill. The first one we're going to be doing, you're just going to lay your belt or your object on the ground and you're just going to keep your feet together and just hop over just back and forth. While doing this, just make sure that you keep a good body posture, staying nice and upright, staying light on your feet. That's going to be the first one. After that, we're going to move on to just a single leg hop. So it's the same exact thing. You're just going to pick one foot off the ground and just hop back and forth on that one foot. And while doing this, still make sure good body posture, staying up, and really just keeping your balance and trying not to fall all over the place too much. And then the last one that we're going to progress into will be a chambered kick. So for this one, all you're going to do is just pick one leg, whichever leg you want to start with. You're just going to pick it up into like either a side kick chamber or a roundhouse chamber, whichever one, doesn't really matter. And then hold that chamber around your like hip level, and then you're just going to hop over and then back. And then just kind of place your foot on the ground and then do it again. Pick up that chamber, hold the chamber nice and strong, hop over and back. And then just keep repeating that motion. This is going to be definitely a little bit difficult, a little bit challenging, but this is really going to help you focus on the body posture, not leaning too far forward or back, and really just kind of developing the strength and the balance in that one leg to just kind of stay coordinated as you're hopping forward and back. I recommend that you do each of these drills, do them for about 30 seconds each, and then I would kind of repeat the whole cycle maybe 2 to 3 times. This second drill, all we're going to be doing is throwing 3 basic kicks, but you're going to be doing all 3 without dropping your leg. So we're just going to start off with a basic front snap kick coming forward. You're going to keep your leg up, chamber for a roundhouse kick, extend that roundhouse kick out, rechamber for a side kick, and then lock the side kick out, rechamber, and then you can drop your foot. So basically we're doing a front snap kick, roundhouse kick, and then a side kick, all without dropping your leg. I recommend that you just do this around kind of your body level. It doesn't have to be super high. If you need to start lower, that's completely fine. The purpose of this drill is just to really focus, obviously, on the balance, your body posture, but this one's really good. I like this one because you're having to pivot and rechamber for those different kicks. So that front snap kick, your knee's going to be up. Then for the roundhouse kick, you kind of have to pivot a little bit on your standing foot, and then obviously your hips over and your knee for the roundhouse kick. So also having to keep that balance while pivoting over for a roundhouse kick, extend that roundhouse kick out, rechamber, and then rechambering for that side kick. So when you do that side kick, your knee needs to come a little bit more kind of in front of you, in front of your stomach, and then lock it out for the side kick. So just doing all 3 of those kicks, just nice and easy, nothing super fast, but you don't also have to go super slow as well. Just kind of go at a comfortable pace that you can maintain, just making it nice and smooth. Front snap kick, pivot, roundhouse kick, pivot, and then do that side kick. I recommend that you do all 3 of those. That'll count as 1 rep. I recommend that you do 10 on the right leg, 10 on the left leg, and do a total of 3 sets. This last drill is going to be focused a little bit more on leg control, because to be able to throw kicks pretty well, you have to have some sort of strength in your hips and in your legs. And if you lack strength in your hips and your legs, it's definitely going to affect your kick and your balance and your coordination and everything. So this drill is going to be focused on strengthening up your hips and your legs. All we're going to do, you're just going to hold on to a chair or a wall, something to kind of help keep your balance. And we're going to go through those 3 basic kicks: a front snap kick, a roundhouse kick, and a side kick. And how this drill is going to work, let's say we're doing the front snap kick. You're just going to throw your front snap kick out, lock it out towards your ankle level, really low to the ground, like ankle or shin level. And then you're going to keep it locked out, lift your leg up towards your hip level, body level, and then rechamber and throw the kick out one more time at the top. And then you're going to put your foot down and then repeat that. That counts as 1 rep. So once again, you're basically just throwing the kick out really low, doing like a leg lift up towards your hip or body level, rechambering, and then throwing the kick out at that level. And then you're just going to keep repeating that process. This is going to be really good. Like I said, it's going to help strengthen up your hips and your legs. You'll feel a little bit of a burn in your side. Just do this for 10 on the right, 10 on the left, once with the front snap kick, once with the roundhouse kick, and once with the side kick. Like I said, this isn't really more focused on the balance part. This is really focused on just developing the strength in your hips and your legs. It's more of a leg control drill, but that is still very important to help you with your overall kick, your balance, and your coordination. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what other drills you would like to see in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and if you guys want to join my next Zoom class or have a one-on-one lesson with me, visit alexwongtkd.com for more details. Thank you all once again for watching. I'll see you guys later.